DefendEye, a Krakow-based technology company, has developed a tube-launched, fully autonomous drone intended for rapid deployment in a range of operational environments. Weighing under 250 grams, the drone meets sub 250 G regulatory thresholds, which means it can be operated without a pilot's license in most jurisdictions. The system is aimed at professional users in sectors such as search and rescue, public safety, environmental monitoring, and defense. Tube-launched and fully autonomous, the DefendEye system is designed to deploy in less than 10 seconds. Operators can launch the drone from either a portable tube carried by personnel or a fixed installation. Once launched, the onboard AI system takes over navigation, scanning, detection, and tracking functions without requiring direct pilot input. The drone's autonomy is supported by a 2-TOPS neural processor capable of identifying and following humans in daylight, low light, or poor weather conditions. A Sony IMX327 Starlight camera enables night operations and enhanced imaging in challenging environments. Connectivity and remote operation. In its latest iteration, DefendEye has integrated a Starlink Mini satellite module directly into the launch tube. This addition joins an existing option for 4G/5G connectivity, allowing the system to operate in areas without cellular coverage. Encrypted live video can be streamed to remote operations centers or mobile devices worldwide, enabling decision-makers to monitor situations in real time. The system is designed to be reloaded quickly, allowing multiple drones to be deployed in sequence. Fixed installations can be configured to launch in response to remote commands or sensor triggers, such as wave radar detection of movement. Operational applications. Potential uses include search and rescue, rapid aerial scanning of remote or hazardous areas, public safety and law enforcement, providing situational awareness in unfolding incidents, border and perimeter security, monitoring restricted zones or critical infrastructure, environmental and wildlife monitoring, gathering imagery without extended human presence, defense and reconnaissance, autonomous intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR tasks. The system's sub 250G classification, automated flight, and integrated communications are designed to support these missions without extensive training or specialist equipment. DefendEye tube launch drone. Launch tube with integrated Starlink Mini. Availability. According to DefendEye, integrated systems and demonstration kits will begin shipping in September 2025. The company is currently conducting live demonstrations with selected customers and accepting orders through its website at www.defendeye.com.